Close to 4,000 Pacific people have made Northland their home. One is Samoan doctor Aniva Lawrence.
She and her physiotherapist husband Leroy bought their first medical clinic 3 years ago in Paihia. The couple have now opened their second practice in the region.
Sandra Kailahi travelled north to find out more.
Te Whare Ora o Tukipunga is a brand new clinic in Whangarei, and we're about to meet the new owners, starting with Samoan doctor Aniva Lawrence.
Oh, Aniva. How are you? Good. Welcome to our new whare. This is the reception area, and we're coming through to our family room in here. Okay. So we really wanted a large room. We're hoping that kids can feel like they can come and do homework and stuff in here. And then this is our doctor's consultation room. Really set up for whole families to be able to come in and see us together. And this is a second waiting area for us as well too. So
Pacific influence there.
Yeah. And this is our podiatry room. So this is what makes us really in terms of an integrated family health centre.
What's behind this?
We're communicating with our local pharmacy group around setting up our own dispensary for our patients as well too. So when I talk about it to other people, I think I have that spark in my eyes. And when we blessed this on April the 6th, just the strong spirit that was present at that time, it confirmed to me that it was right.
The other owner is Aniva's husband, Leroy Lawrence. He's a qualified physiotherapist, so together they are able to offer a lot more and bring in other health services.
If we can prove that this model works and it can provide the quality of care which individuals and families need, then I hope that it is taken up and people start to bring that on board in their areas.
If we can inspire younger professionals that are coming through to have the drive to do this themselves, then I think that'll be an achievement for us. So.
Te Whare Ora is the couple's second clinic. In 2009, they bought a small established practice in Paihia. Some of her patients include Māori and Samoan families, like Taunaha Smith, who has 4 boys. Little Jamie has been diagnosed with leukemia.
I think it's awesome, especially for this community. I mean, we are predominantly Māori in this community, but to have someone Pacifica here and having a practice in Paihia, I think it's great for the community as a whole.
I often can recognise patients that have connections, and it is good to engage with all of our Pacific people. I understand when they're talking about palusami or boil-up, and I know what those things are. I've had them myself, you know. It's had them too much at times, but other than that, it's a wonderful thing to have those connections with our patients locally.
The couple moved from Auckland to the north 8 years ago, and the decision has paid off.
We would probably have stayed comfortable in Auckland working for other people, and it wouldn't have challenged us to think outside the square.
The new clinic in Tukipunga is starting to pick up. They've signed up over 400 clients in a month, and the Paihia clinic is running well. With 3 boys and 2 businesses, the Lawrences have had their hands full, but they're not complaining.
It's been hard work, and I think the hard work has definitely paid off. When we created the service, I see it not just for my generation, but for the generations to come. And so I see a place that's that my children can have pride in.